More than 50 million Americans live with chronic inflammation, yet a simple foot soak may quiet it overnight while you sleep. Stay until tip number 4, because that is the timing detail most people get wrong. And it changes everything. Chronic inflammation hides behind stiff joints, swollen ankles, restless sleep, and that deep aching tiredness you cannot shake. For adults over 40, this hidden inflammation slowly damages blood vessels, brain tissue, and the lining of every major organ. The feet hold over 7,000 nerve endings, making them one of the most powerful gateways to the entire nervous system. Research shows that warm soaks improve circulation, calm the vagus nerve, and signal the body to lower inflammatory markers. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound studied for its ability to reduce pain and quiet the same pathways targeted by anti-inflammatory drugs. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium sulfate, is absorbed transdermally and helps relax muscles, ease swelling, and pull tension from tissues. Step 1. Start with the right water temperature. Warm but never scalding, around 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill a deep wooden or ceramic basin with enough water to cover your ankles fully, never just the soles. This depth matters because the ankle area holds key lymphatic drainage points that help clear inflammatory waste. Tip 2. Add half a cup of pure, unscented Epsom salt and stir gently until the crystals dissolve completely. Avoid scented commercial blends, since added fragrances can irritate sensitive skin and dull the soothing magnesium effect. Studies suggest that magnesium absorbed through warm skin helps relax smooth muscle and may calm inflamed nerve endings overnight. Tip 3. Slice 3 to 4 inches of fresh ginger root, skin on, into thin rounds and drop them in. Always choose fresh ginger over powder, because the volatile oils that fight inflammation are far stronger in the raw root. Let the ginger steep in the hot water for 5 minutes before placing your feet in, releasing its full healing oils. You should notice a faint warming sensation, a sign the gingerol is activating blood flow and reaching deep tissue. Now here is the part most people get wrong, and it is the reason their foot soaks never seem to work. Tip 4. Soak for exactly 20 minutes, no longer, ideally 1 hour before bed for maximum overnight repair. Going longer than 20 minutes can actually dehydrate the skin and reverse the calming benefits on your nervous system. The pre-bedtime window matters most because your body enters its natural repair cycle during the first hours of deep sleep. Research shows that soothing the feet before sleep can lower nighttime cortisol, a major driver of chronic inflammation. Tip 5. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to draw out toxins and balance the skin's natural pH. The acetic acid in raw vinegar is studied for its ability to soften calcified deposits and ease arthritic stiffness. If you have sensitive skin, start with just a teaspoon, then gradually work your way up over several soaks. Tip 6. After soaking, pat your feet dry and massage them with a teaspoon of warm sesame or castor oil. This locks in moisture, extends the calming effect, and helps the magnesium continue absorbing through the night. Slip into cotton socks before bed to seal everything in, and you will often wake with noticeably less stiffness. Tip 7. Repeat this soak 3 to 4 times a week for at least 3 weeks to see lasting results. Consistency matters more than intensity, because inflammation responds slowly, layer by layer, to gentle and repeated signals of calm. Many people report softer joints, deeper sleep, and less morning swelling within 2 to 3 weeks of regular soaks. If this remedy resonates with you, consider subscribing to Natural Hacks for more gentle, time-tested ways to care for your body. Tap the like button if you learned something new today, and share this video with someone who lives with daily aches. Leave a comment telling us which ingredient surprised you most and what natural remedy you would like us to cover next. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before trying any new home remedy.